Brenspeed as always. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. 2010 Mustang today. I want to show you this because I just got done tuning it and it made awesome power. It's an automatic. It's running 93 octane. It's got the Novi 2200 intercooled supercharger. Let's go take a closer look. All right, before we go down and take a closer look, I have several things I want to tell you. So first, don't forget, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. And hey, what's it cost to build a car like this? You can always email quote@brenspeed.com to get our installation prices. As well, in that description of this video, I'll put links to everything we have going on right here. But this car already had the Novi 2200 when it came in. It also only has 6,600 miles. Super low miles for a 2010. But it came in for some upgrades. It had Cook's headers. We installed 373s, our Detroit rocker camshafts, then upgraded the basic 50-state Paxton kit to be like our Brenspeed turnkey supercharger package, which you can find in that description. And that's how it lays out power like this. It's an automatic, and it made over 500 raw horsepower, so I want to show it to you. Doug, come down here and take a look. So what do you get in our Brenspeed turnkey Novi 2200 package? It's an intercooled supercharger air-to-air. We run one-step Kohler spark plugs, 39-pound fuel injectors, an SCT tuner with the proper calibration. If you have a 50-state kit from Paxton, it comes with like a Diablo programmer. We don't use those, so we just return to stock. So maybe you can sell that. We use SCT to tune it, and you get that supercharger right there. For a fuel pump upgrade, we use a Kenny Bell booster pump. Sometimes we use other brand voltage boosters. This one right here has a Kenny Bell on it. Of course, Detroit rocker camshafts, like I said, Cook's long tube headers with cats. It's a killer setup, and this car is clean. Doug, take one more look. We installed the tank right here by Canton. That looks really good. And this engine compartment, in my opinion, is one of the nicest engine compartments I've had here in the last couple weeks. I really like the way it looks. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you the dyno pull. We're gonna go over and look at the graphs, maybe listen to how those cams sound. Let's go check it out. A couple other things I didn't mention before we go look at the numbers. It did have already a set of delete plates as well as a BBK throttle body. And also, we're going to go look at these numbers, and a lot of you might be like, wow, that's too much for a stock engine. Don't worry, I'm going to put a video at the end. Some of you have seen it, some of you haven't. Watch it. It says, my opinion from years of experience, what's too much torque on a stock engine, as well as I'll put a link to a playlist with 40, 50, 3-valve supercharged Mustang videos that you might like to watch. But Doug, follow me right here. And this came out great. On a manual car, I'd be happy with these numbers. This is an auto, more drivetrain loss. 539 real horsepower on our DynoJet SAE at 6,300. Of course, 93 octane. Torque came in perfect, 455, right around 6,000. So Doug, take a quick look at that graph. It's on our DynoJet SAE. Those are really, really good numbers. Like I said, for an automatic, extremely happy with that. Of course, we do have good air today, but manual tranny, I'd be happy with numbers like that. So as always, leave a comment, happy to answer. Again, please subscribe at Notify. You'll see a lot of cool 3-valve Coyote videos, Coyote swap videos. I just have non-stop different videos coming in all the time. Thanks for watching.